Hi students, in exercise 7.2, 5 problems are completed. Now, problem number 6. Problem number 6. If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of point P such that AB is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the segment AB. See here. 2 points are given. Those are A and B. The coordinates of point A are given points are A is equal to minus 2, minus 2 and B is equal to 2, minus 4. These two are given points. We have to find the coordinates of the point P which lies on the line segment AB and such that AB is equal to 3 by 7 AB. So, first draw a line segment AB. The point P lies on AB. So, P lies on the line segment AB such that P lies on AB and such that AB is equal to 3 by 7 AB. AB is equal to 3 by 7 AB. See here, 3 by 7 into AB into quantity becomes division. So AB by AB is equal to 3 by 7. See here. So AB, total line segment, length of the line segment AB. So AB, total 7 parts. Here AB, 7 parts and AP, 3 parts. AP, 3 parts. So AB, 3 parts. So total AB, total 7 parts. Here AP, 3 parts. What are the remaining parts? 7 minus 3, 4 parts. Okay, once again, total AB total 7 parts. So AB 3 parts and the remaining parts are 7 minus 3, 4 parts. So see here, the point P which divide line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. Okay, we have to find the coordinates of the point P by using section formula. So P divides AB in the ratio 3:4 internally. By using sectional formula, we have to find the coordinates of point P. See here, P divides AB in the ratio 3:4 internally by section formula. So, the sectional formula is P of x, y is equal to, we have to find the coordinates of point P is equal to square root of, the formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the sectional formula. We can use this formula. We can find the coordinates of point P. See here, that equal to first point A. The coordinates of A are x1, y1 and B are x2, y2. The first point A is x1, y1 and the second point B is x2, y2. See here, the ratio is 3:4. The value 3 is m1 and 4 is m2. So substitute here. So m1 value 3 into the value of x2 2 plus m2 4 into x1. The value of x1 is minus 2 by m1 plus m2. So m1 value 3, m2 value 4. 3 plus 4, comma. Once again m1 3 into y2. The value of y2 is minus 4 plus m2 4 y1. The value of y1 is minus 2 by 3 plus 4. m1 plus m2 3 plus 4. So that equal to 3 2s are 6 plus into minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 plus 4 7 comma plus into minus 3 4s are 12 plus into minus 4 2s are 8 3 plus 4 by 7. So that equal to 6 minus 8, that is minus 2 by 7 comma minus 12 and minus 8, minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 by 7. So the coordinates of the point x comma y is equal to minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. Okay. Okay, next problem number 7 in exercise 7.2. Problem number 7. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 4 comma 0 and B 0 comma 6 into 4 equal parts. Okay, first given points are A minus 4 comma 0 and B 0 comma 6. These two are given 2 points. Okay, find the coordinates of points. What is the question? Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining these 2 points. Which divide the line segment joining these 2 points. So first draw line segment AB. Find the coordinates of points which divides the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, so 4 equal parts. Take any 3 points. Those are P, Q and R. Take 3 points. Those are P, Q, R, which divides the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 parts are equal. Once again, take any 3 points on AB. So P, Q, R with the points which divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. These 4 parts are equal. Okay, see here. So observe here. Q is the midpoint of AB. What is the condition? Q is the midpoint of AB and P is the midpoint of AQ and R is the midpoint of QB. Okay, so what is the problem? So given 2 points are given. Those two are minus 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. So the coordinates of the points divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, so take those 3 points as P, Q, R. Okay, let P, Q, R be the points which divides the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, so 4 equal parts. We have to find the coordinates of these 3 points. Okay, so first we have to find Q. How to find the Q? So Q is the midpoint of AB. So we can use the midpoint formula. We can find the value of the coordinates of the point Q. Okay, next P is the midpoint of AQ. So again, using the midpoint formula, we have to find P and also similarly the point R. Just we have to use midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? First write let P P, Q, R be the points which divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, so midpoint formula. First write Q is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Here Q is the midpoint of AB. Next, P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. Similarly, R is the midpoint of QP. R is the midpoint of QB. Okay, so midpoint formula is right here. Midpoint formula is equal to, what is the formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. First we have to find the value, the coordinates of point Q. So Q is the midpoint of AB. So the coordinates of AB are given. So apply midpoint formula of A and B. So first point A as x1 y1 and B as x2 y2. So the first point is Q. Q is equal to, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 value, the value of x1 is minus 4 plus x2 0, minus 4 plus 0 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 0 plus 6 by 0 plus 6 by 2. So Q is the midpoint of AB. The coordinates of A are minus 4 comma 0, that is x1 comma y1. The coordinates of B are 0 comma 6, that is x2 comma y2. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 minus 4 plus 0 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, 0 plus 6 by 2. So that equal to minus 4 plus 0, minus 4 by 2, comma 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6 value 6 by 2. So that equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are, here 2 1s are 2 3s are. So coordinates of Q is equal to minus 2 by 1, that is minus 2, comma 3 by 1, 3. Okay, the coordinates of the point Q is equal to minus 2 comma 3. Now find the coordinates of the point P. So P is the midpoint of AQ. So take first point A as x1 comma y1 and second point Q is x2 comma y2. So now the coordinates of P is equal to, same formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. See here P is the midpoint of AQ. So first point A x1 y1, second point Q x2 y2. So the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So first one, x1 plus x2. The value of x1 is minus 4 plus x2 minus 2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. The value of y1 is 0 plus y2 3, 0 plus 3 by 2. That equal to minus 4 plus into minus, minus 2 by 2, comma 0 plus 3, 3 by 2. So that equal to minus 4 minus 2, minus 6 by 2, comma 3 by 2. So that equal to, the coordinates of point P is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are. So minus 3 by 1, minus 3 by 1, minus 3 comma 3 by 2. So the coordinates of the point P is equal to minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Next, we have to find the coordinates of the point R. So R is the midpoint of QB. R is the midpoint of QB. So take first point Q as x1 y1. Q as x1 y1 and B as x2 y2. x2 y2. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So the coordinates of point R is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 is minus 2 plus x2 0. Minus 2 plus 0 by 2, comma y1 3 plus y2 6. 3 plus 6 by 2. So that equal to minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2 by 2, comma 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 9. 9 by 2. That equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are. Minus 1 by 1 means minus 1 and 9 by 2. So the coordinates of the point R is equal to minus 1 by minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Okay. So once again, let PQR, P comma Q comma R be the points which divide line segment AB into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find the coordinates of the points PQR. Okay. First we have to find the coordinates of the point Q. Q is the midpoint of AB. So by using midpoint formula, we can find the coordinates of point Q. Okay. Next, P is the midpoint of AQ. So take first point A as x1 y1 and Q as x2 y2. x2 comma y2. Okay. So apply the same formula. So then P is equal to minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Okay. Next, R is the midpoint of Q and B. QB. Okay. Apply the same formula. The coordinates of Q are x1 comma y1 and B as x2 comma y2. Okay. So apply the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Then finally we can get the coordinates of the point R is equal to minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Next, problem number 8. Problem 8. Same model. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Same model. Given points are A minus 2 comma 2, B 2 comma 8. Okay. The line segment AB. The coordinates of point A are minus 2 comma 2. The coordinates of B are 2 comma minus 8. Take the 3 points on the line segment AB such that those 3 points divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 parts are equal. So same manner, Q is the midpoint of AB, and P is the midpoint of AQ, and R is the midpoint of QB. Okay. Let P comma Q and R be the points which divide AB into 4 equal parts, which divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Okay. So first Q is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AQ. and R is the midpoint of QB. Okay, so here by using midpoint formula, the midpoint formula is is equal to, what is the formula? X1 plus X2 by 2 comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. We can use this formula. We have to find coordinates of these 3 points. Okay, first we have to find the coordinates of the point Q. Q is equal to, Q is the midpoint of A and B. So first point A is taken as x1 comma y1 and B taken as x2 comma y2. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so Q, x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 minus 2 plus x2 2 by 2, y1 2 plus y2 8 by 2. So that equal to minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 by 2 comma 2 plus 8 10, 10 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 fives are, that equal to the coordinates of Q is equal to 0 by anything 0. So 0 by 2 value 0, 5 by 1 that is 5. So the coordinates of the point Q are 0 comma 5. Okay, next P. P is the midpoint of AQ. So first point A as x1 y1 and second point Q taken as x2 comma y2. So the coordinates of the point P is equal to, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. First point A x1 y1, second point Q x2 y2. x1 minus 2 plus x2 0 by 2 y. Next x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay, so that equal to minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 by 2 comma 2 plus 5, 7 by 2. So here 2 ones are 2 ones are. So the coordinates of the point P is equal to minus 1 by 1, minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Next final point is R. R is the midpoint of QB. So R is equal to, first point Q as taken as x1 y1 and second point B taken as x2 y2. Okay, so x1 plus x2 by 2, 0 plus x2 2, 0 plus 2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2, y1 5, y2 8, 5 plus 8 by 2, 5 plus 8 by 2, that equal to 0 plus 2, 2 by 2 comma 5 plus 8 13, 13 by 2. See here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 1 by 1, that is 1 comma 13 by 2. So the coordinates of the point R is equal to 1 comma 13 by 2. So here P, Q, R, these are 3 points which divides the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. So the coordinates of these 3 points are, so P is equal to, first Q is equal to 0 comma 5, P is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2 and final point R is equal to 1 comma 13 by 2.